Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another project share to share with you guys, and yeah, I made another super cute album. Another Christmassy one. You guys know I've been doing a lot of Christmas projects, and this time I was using up the Simple Story 6x8 paper pad. I only used, I didn't use the whole entire thing. I think I had like maybe 5 or 6 sheets left, and I do have another video coming showing you guys what I did with the rest of the sheets. But this tutorial that I followed is based off of one of my own. It is from my Scrappy Christmas Crafts series, collaboration that I do with Tiffany every month. So this one was my April one, and when I made that base with you guys on camera, I decided to also use that base to make another Christmas project, just because I have I feel like the most 6x8 paper pads for Christmas, and I wanted to use them up because I made the tutorial specifically for 6x8 paper pads, and so there we go. We're just using up that paper instead of having to cut 12x12 paper down to size. I thought I would just use the 6x8 paper pad. So again, I use this Simple Stories Winter Farmhouse collection. I'm gonna have it linked down below for you guys. And with that said, let's get started and I'll show you guys what this album looks like. So this album is going to be available in my Etsy shop. I'm going to have a link down below where you guys could purchase it. If it's not there, it's probably sold, but check it out and see if it is. And you could also check out whatever other albums I have available in my shop. So on the front cover, I decided to use one of those full-size sheets that says Hello Winter. It's got these beautiful flowers. I did add a lace trim here, and I added in some enamel dots. And you guys could see I did my zigzag stitching in gold. I do have a ribbon tie closure that's got these cute little pom-poms. It's like a check pattern with these little pom-poms, and I love them. So cute. The spine, it looks like this, and I had these adhesive brads. This is not from the Winter Farmhouse collection. It is some other collection by Cartabella, I think, but I added them here. And then the back side, and I have my handmade kind of logo sticker there, and I double matted. You guys could see with the white on like a black base. Then you open this up. Again, tutorial is linked down below in case you guys want to make one too. You open it up. I've got a cut apart here that says there's no one like you. It is so cute, and it is magnetized. This opens up. You could add a photo here, and then this opens up again to the left. You can add photos here as well. Here I've got like a double pocket page, and I use some of those tags. Or I think these are cut aparts that I made into tags. It says Snowman Kisses and Warm Winter Wishes. The back is white, so you could do some journaling. And this cute little pocket page we do all together in my tutorial. Warm hugs and white background. Then this flips up like so. So you've got more space for photos, and then more space for photos down here. And if you want to, you could add another pocket page there, but I figured since I already have these 2 pockets, I just wanted all the space kind of for photos. So that flips down, this flips, and then this magnetizes closed. Here I used one of the full-size pages. I cut around the housey and turned it into a pocket. You don't have to keep this there. You could just tuck in photos. But it does say Happy Winter, another little journal spot with a white journal space here, and you could add a photo. You could add another photo here. You could tuck in photos here, but it just says Baby It's Cold Outside. And this tucks right back into there. So it could also just say Baby It's Cold, however you want to do it. Then this flips over to the left-hand side. I have another cut apart here. You guys could see I love my cut aparts, and I love using them. It says, if snowflakes were kisses, I'd send you a blizzard. This flips open like so. I left this like a light color so you could do some journaling. And then I have a cut apart in here that you can add a photo or do journaling on, and tuck in more photos here. And it just says sending warm and cozy hugs. Now this pocket, this is something I added. This wasn't part of the tutorial. I just had like some scraps and I wanted to use them. My magnet is right here. So when you add in a photo, you don't want to add it past here. And I also put it here for a reason so that so that this could keep closed, like, you know, so that's why the magnet is there. I didn't have to add this pocket, but I really just liked it, and I like how it kind of looks, and it ties in this page also, so that's optional. This was just kind of added into this one with my scrap papers. I did put some scraps here in the center as well as here. You guys could see, and here I didn't have a long enough scrap, so I did supplement with a little bit of gold. Then here we've got a belly band with a larger insert. You can add a photo here. You could do journaling and add a photo to the back as well. All of that is in the tutorial. And then this has a tie closure here, and it has a cut apart that says "You Melt My Heart." And these flip open, which I left blank, so you could just add your photos directly. You could do journaling here, and you could add your photos directly there as well. I didn't want to bulk it up too much. And yeah, but you can add your photos there and whatnot, or you could do journaling on there as well. Like, I feel like those spots are more so for like actual photos, which is why I didn't want to bulk it up too much. Whereas like this one, you might add a photo here on top of the pattern paper, but then you might want to journal here. Same thing with like the little cut aparts, like this one. I feel like you would journal on here and then just tuck in some photos. And the same thing with this one. I feel like you would do some journaling and add a photo. So, I mean, there's different options of however you want to do it, but that's why I left that back one blank. And it was like a, what is that called? Like a accordion? No, zigzag? I don't know. I don't know what kind of fold that's called, but that's what I did there. So again, if you guys are interested in this album, it is available in my Etsy shop. And if you guys want to make one, there is a tutorial linked down below that I created, and you guys could check that out as well and then make your own and follow along. So check out all the links, and I'm going to see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you guys soon, and I'll see you next time. Bye.